Oh, it's a bird in the house. Two birds came in the house.
I heard it.
All right, so this is Elijah and Adrian. They are going to trap the bird. All I'm going to do is open up the chimney, and we'll see what happens.
Okay, guys, get ready for this.
Get some touch.
I'm scared. All the time we
go. No, I'm joking.
Daddy,
ready? It's
you
gonna come,
scared?
so you gotta hold it up here. She's coming. All right. Y'all ready?
Yep. Dad moved out the way. They can't see it.
Y'all ready? Y'all sure?
Yes.
We ready?
Yes.
All right. 1, 2, 3. You got the camera.
Guys, that was so
Here
scary.
it comes.
That was so scary. My dad's on the floor.
Pull it back.
Dad, get the
Hold my butt.
I'm scared.
Open. Where's it at? Where's the thing at, Dad?
The what?
Open it or close it.
You got to pull it towards you to open it.
Is it open? Right there, right there.
You see the bird?
No, it just, I heard it.
All right, open it again.
Hey, did you hurt the Hey, I think I see it. Let me do it this time. Yo.
Oh, I touched it.
You touched it, it's okay.
How much left?
If you cry it, I will start crying for you. You got it.
You got it?
Yes.
You got it?
Yes.
Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a bird in the house.
Hey.
Hey, this way. Swim this way.
Go. Let him out.
Oh, he flew into the wall. He's out. What's he gonna do?
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, hey, Blackbird. Oh, cute.
So guys, I know that they didn't informally open the vlog earlier because of the little bird situation. Kind of just grabbed the camera and started recording. But we would all like, come on guys, come here. We would all like to apologize for being gone for 2 weeks. Do we apologize?
Yes.
Yes.
We're formally sorry. We're not gone. We're still here. We're not leaving. I'm watching you. We're not leaving.
Not.
Anytime soon. We just got some good stuff coming out. Keep coming. So I know. Let me show you guys the yard. There is like, my dad got hay to help the grass grow, and this is amazing. Literally, this is amazing. Like it looks like we're running a farm back here, but we're not.
Come here.
So this is my strawberry plant. It is dead over the winter, but I know it's gonna grow back. I just, somewhere deep down, I know it's gonna grow back. And let me show you guys my mint plant. So this is my little mint box. That's my mint box, and it's dead. Or it's not dead, I would say dormant. because dead things don't grow back. It's definitely dead. Or no, dormant. Said dead again. Ouch. Stop messing with the chickens. So I was trying to find the moon, but I couldn't find it. So we're about to put the chickens up. See if I can get them up. Put her in. Oh, be careful. Bye bye, chickies. Good night, little girls.
Have a good night. Don't bye.
Why are you doing that?
What?
Close it. Okay. We are finishing up getting all the rest of the yard, all the rest of the gumball trees, gumballs up and sticks. Nope,
I see one.
that's legal. So we're getting all the gumballs up. Guys, don't ever get gumball trees. Just don't. And it's getting pretty dark out here, so this is probably the last thing we're going to shoot outside. So we'll have to do some studying for quarter exams. I know, right? And so I want to so go right now, but I'm gonna put a couple hours into this. And then slowly, oh yeah, my birthday is in 2 days. 2 days. March 5th. Mi cumpleaños es 5 de marzo. March 5th. My birthday be March 5th. My birthday is on. I have choir that day. No. Yeah, but finals are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I'm off Friday. I think I have a half day on Monday. And then my final on Tuesday I can go in later because I already did my Spanish final. I'm tired. And I got some work to do because I gotta hammer this stuff this weekend. Hammer. So I'm about to work on my theologia. No. Maybe not theologia. I'm thinking I'm gonna work on biologia. That's what I'm gonna work on. Deuces. Adrian is taking a breathing treatment. She has asthma. I think pretty much everybody in the house has asthma except for me, my mom, and my sister. So don't forget to like, big thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, please. And stay tuned for the Harold Fam. And we will see you later. Bye.